Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is KOSIBATE Bushcraft Gear Auger Wrench. The hand auger wrench is designed for easy wood drilling, ideal for bushcraft tasks such as making pegs, drilling holes, or building shelter. The Scotch eye design allows you to insert a branch or stick to use as a handle, offering solid leverage and control while turning the auger through wood. The included brown leather case is a nice addition, offering protection for the auger while also adding a stylish touch. It fits snugly, making it easy to carry in a backpack or bushcraft gear setup. The case is well constructed, keeping the auger safe from moisture and damage during transport. For anyone interested in bushcraft or self-reliance skills, this tool is perfect for building primitive tools and structures in the wild. It's great for making rustic furniture, creating wooden dowels, or even crafting simple traps or shelters while camping. Its manual design ensures that you don't need electricity or batteries, making it a valuable tool in survival situations. While it may require more physical effort than powered alternatives, this auger wrench is all about self-reliance and mastering outdoor skills. Whether you're a survivalist, camper, or just enjoy primitive woodworking, this tool delivers on both functionality and quality. The KOSIBATE Bushcraft Gear Hand Auger Wrench is a must-have for any. Our second best hand auger for bushcraft is BOUNHOHE Auger Drill and Hand. The Scotch eye auger is a standout feature, allowing you to insert a wooden handle for easy manual drilling through wood. This design provides great leverage and is ideal for making clean, precise holes in wooden materials while camping or engaging in bushcraft activities. As a completely manual tool, the BOUNHOHE auger is perfect for those looking to rely on traditional survival techniques. Whether you need to create pegs, drill holes for shelter building, or fashion wooden tools, this tool will get the job done with no electricity required. The protective case and hook make it easy to store and transport the auger safely. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into any outdoor gear bag without taking up much space, while the protective case ensures it remains sharp and free from rust or damage. The BOUNHOHE survival tool is tailored for anyone involved in bushcrafting, where self-reliance and the ability to work with natural materials are key. It's an essential tool for creating wooden dowels, pegs, or joints, making it easier to build shelters, tools, and other survival structures. The BOUNHOHE survival tool for bushcraft settlers is a well-crafted and reliable manual drill wrench designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and bushcrafting experts. This versatile tool combines a Scotch eye auger drill with a hand hole maker, offering a compact yet effective solution for primitive woodworking and survival situations. Third pick in our list is Bushcraft Gear Hand Auger. The main feature of this tool is its Scotch eye auger, which allows users to insert a wooden branch as a handle and easily create holes in wood. It's perfect for building wooden pegs, constructing shelters, or even crafting outdoor furniture. This traditional tool provides excellent functionality when you're off-grid and need to rely on natural resources. This tool excels at creating quick and precise holes for wooden joints, pegs, and dowels, essential for anyone building or crafting with natural materials in the wilderness. It's highly effective for primitive woodworking and survival-based tasks. As a bonus, the tool comes with flint, making it not just a woodworking tool, but also a critical survival aid. Whether you're camping or in a true survival situation, being able to start a fire with this tool can be a lifesaver. The tool comes with a high-quality leather case that protects the auger and flint from damage or rust, while also offering easy storage. The case has a rugged design that complements the wilderness aesthetic and adds to the overall durability of the set. This auger wrench combines woodworking, shelter building, and fire starting into one compact package, making it a versatile addition to your bushcraft gear. Whether you're carving out wooden dowels or starting a campfire, this tool has you covered. While it requires some physical effort, the sense of self-sufficiency and skill building it offers more than compensates for the manual labor involved. Number 4 on our side is Auger Bushcraft Gear Hand Auger Drill. If you're looking to expand your bushcraft toolkit or enjoy woodworking while camping or hiking, this Auger auger set is a fantastic investment for long-term use. This set comes with 4 different auger sizes, giving users a variety of tools to handle various wood drilling tasks. Whether you're crafting pegs, making holes for dowels, or building an outdoor shelter, having multiple sizes allows you to tailor the tool to the specific project at hand. Made from high-quality steel, these augers are designed to handle tough outdoor conditions. The steel construction ensures longevity and durability, making this set a dependable addition to your bushcraft gear. Despite its solid construction, the auger set is lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack and carry for camping, hiking, or other outdoor adventures. This portability makes it a great tool for those who enjoy working with natural materials in nature. Whether you're building a primitive shelter, fashioning wooden pegs, or working on woodworking projects in the field, these augers provide the precision and strength needed to get the job done. The ability to drill holes into wood is critical for many outdoor survival and crafting tasks, and this set ensures you have the right size for the job. The Auger 4PCs Hand Auger Wood Drill Set is a versatile and essential collection of bushcraft tools for anyone who enjoys camping, hiking, or woodworking in the outdoors. This set includes 4 high-quality Scotch-eye wood augers that are ideal for drilling, woodcrafting, and shelter building, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Number 5. In our top 5 best hand auger for bushcraft, Minley Bushcraft Auger. If you're looking to enhance your bushcraft gear, this Minley auger set is a practical and effective choice that will serve you well on your outdoor adventures. The standout feature of this auger is its sharp Scottish eye design, allowing users to easily create a makeshift handle from a stick or branch found in the wild. This design not only increases leverage while drilling, but also promotes self-sufficiency, a key element in bushcrafting. The 10-inch settler's wrench adds significant versatility to the kit. It allows for various tasks like fastening or loosening bolts, making it invaluable for outdoor projects where you might need to assemble or disassemble equipment or structures. Designed for outdoor use, this kit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to pack in a backpack without adding excessive weight. It's an ideal companion for camping trips, hiking expeditions, or survival scenarios. The Minley Hand Auger Wood Drill with the settler's wrench and folding saw kit is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about bushcrafting or outdoor survival. Its durable design, combined with the versatility of the additional tools, makes this kit a valuable investment for campers, hikers, and survival enthusiasts alike. The sharp Scottish eye auger allows...
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.